Ay sa mga pang ladies wear. And how much the tali sa buhok? OMG. God. I like this, but it's very high price. Like this. This one, 179. OMG. Wow, 449 dollar very higher price. Katulad sa electric fan ko sa labas 250, inside the mall 499. How much the battery here? 119, 8. 8. But it's okay. Wow, Barbie, I like this. Barbie pink. Okay guys, salamat.